the deep satisfaction of bringing something into existence that is a true expression of your own spirit. There is no rush, no pressure. There is only the patient, sacred work of building a life that is authentically your own. You are not what they built. The silence that follows is filled with the hum of potential, the quiet before the work begins. The focused energy of the architect softens into the gentle, nurturing calm of a gardener. The work of building is done. Now begins the work of living, of tending. Where there was once a blueprint, there is now a garden. It is a place of organic growth, not rigid structure. Some parts are wild and untamed, others are carefully cultivated. It is a space that is constantly changing, growing, and evolving with the seasons. The frantic noise of becoming has been replaced by the peaceful rhythm of being. It is a sanctuary built not of stone but of life itself. This state, reminds me of the modern mindfulness movement, a response to a culture of relentless productivity and external validation. We are taught to be human doings rather than human beings, our value measured by our accomplishments. Mindfulness practice is the act of tending to the inner garden. It is not about achieving a goal but about being present with what is, the weeds and the flowers, the sun and the rain. It is a radical act of reclaiming the present moment from the tyranny of the future and the past, finding peace not in what we can build, but in what we can simply be. Imagine your soul as a garden. For years it was paved over with the concrete of other people's rules, but you have broken up the concrete, cleared the rubble and tilled the soil. Now you walk through it each day. You pull the weeds of self-doubt. You water the seeds of compassion. You sit in the shade of the trees of wisdom you have allowed to grow. You do not command the flowers to bloom, you simply create the conditions in which they can. The garden's beauty is not in its perfection but in its aliveness, its constant, gentle unfolding. Breathe in the scent of the soil, the fragrance of the blossoms. Feel the life around you and within you. It is the same life. A deep, abiding peace settles in your heart. I am enough, just as I am. This garden is enough. There is no more striving, no more fighting. There is only a quiet, joyful partnership with your own growth. The energetic surges of the past have mellowed into a steady, warm glow, like sunlight filtering through leaves. You are not a project to be completed. You are a life to be lived. You are not what they built. A gentle quiet descends, the soft, ambient hum of a garden in the late afternoon sun. The vibrant, living garden now opens onto a vast